So this video shows how to select standards in TaskStream. I'm working in the student work analysis for EHS 615, and you can see the standards that I've already chosen for this project. So this is how it would look once you've chosen your standards, and of course that will close down and drop down. That's probably how it's going to look when you get there. Now, I've made a copy over here for the purpose of this video of what I'm choosing, because in case this isn't working for you, what you may need to do is to delete the section. So I'm going to do the unbelievable and delete the section. And I just blew up my standard section, and that you can do in case you need to start all over. So if you need to start all over, then click the standards link. And then for national boards, actually it had defaulted to national boards because that's the last place I was. So make sure you realize if you need national boards, it's the USA National Boards, and go. So now, because I'm a science kind of guy, I'm looking for science, and over here, I'm looking at what I'd done before so I can replace that. So I had gone first to the adolescents and to the early adolescent science standards, which is middle school. And then National Board says something weird. So let's look at this. It has these 4 super categories. I don't really know what those are, but underneath those are standards 1, 2, and 3. So I had chosen standard 1 in my original set. So I click on that, and then I believe, let's see, I can go back to area, and I need area 6. Let's see if it's here. Nope, it's not. Back to area, go to 6, establishing equitable participation. There we go. Save and select from a different set. Oop, I shouldn't have done that. I should have done the view selections. And I have standard 1, which I was looking for over here, excuse me, and standard 6, which I was looking for there. Okay, that makes sense? That's to get the first set. Now, for the sake of this exercise, I had also chosen one as examples from middle school. With national boards, you would never choose what I'm about to do. I'm sorry, what I'd chosen before was middle school. Now I'm going to the high school standards. You would never choose both, because if you were doing national boards, you'd be either a middle school teacher or a high school teacher. But for the sake of getting my standards back and showing you how it works, I'm looking for standard 7, science inquiry. Think it's right here. Go to the next level, standard 7. There we go. Let's view the selections now. Got my national boards in. I could remove them or remove all. Now I need my Alabama Quality Teaching Standards. For the sake of this video, I'm going to go back with this 2013 version, but my students have just reported to me, my current students, that the real Educate Alabama AQTS standards are not the 2013 version, but for the sake of the argument, okay, save and return. So I'm going back. Now I'm back to here. So I don't want to blow that section up. I want to keep what I have. I'm going to go into Manage Standards, add more standards. Now here I've got to I better save and select from another different set. There we go. Now, all the way back up. Come on, mouse. There we go. All the way back up to Alabama. You know what? I'm going to do this right. That's the wrong version I'd chosen before. So I'm going to do this right now with Alabama Quality Teaching Standards, and go. And then let me see if I can get what I had before. So I'm looking for standard 2C assessment and indicator 2C1. So standard 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, standard 2. Standard 2C assessment, I'm going to guess that one. So maybe standard 2 assessment, and then let's see if I've got some down here. So for the purpose of this project, it would be formative and summative assessment. I'm just going to click a few, select, no, I don't want performances. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and get that one in, and then I'll go back after the video and correct those. So now I've got that one in, save and return. And I now have the standards that I need.